I welcome you all to today's session of our online class. So in our previous class, what did we learn? We learned about two Chamakte Sitares, shining stars. Who was the main attraction? Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. So about whom did we learn last class? It was Saina Nehwal. So who was her inspirer? It was her father, isn't it? And what was her father's name? Her father's name is Harveer Singh. And who is her mother? Her mother is Usha Nehwal. And at what age did she begin her training or her coaching? She started at the age of 8. Okay, then where did she go for coaching? She went to SMRF, isn't it? And then for a good training or good coaching, where did she go? She joined Hyderabad's Gopichand Academy. Gopichand Academy is a big academy that trains the badminton stars. She got training from there and she became a great star. Okay, now we will move on to her next achievements, that the main attraction of her life, the achievements. What all awards did she get and how she was so talented, that we can know from this portion of the lesson. Okay, now we will move on to our class. Open the book, all of you, and then read with me. Children, open page number 6. The next paragraph, second paragraph is there. So I will read the paragraph first, then one line by line I will read and I will explain you. Okay, so बाद में हैदराबाद स्थित गोपीचंद बैडमिंटन अकादमी साइना नेहवाल का प्रशिक्षण की केंद्र बिंदु बना, जहां उन्होंने अपनी इस योग्यता को विकसित किया। सन 2006 में साइना ने राष्ट्रीय चैंपियन बनकर तथा 2 बार एशियन सैटेलाइट बैडमिंटन टूर्नामेंट जीतकर इतिहास बनाया। ऐसा श्रेय प्राप्त करने वाली वे प्रथम महिला थी। उसी साल साइना फिलीपींस ओपन जीतने वाली दूसरी महिला बनी। So the explanation from the beginning of this paragraph. बाद में हैदराबाद स्थित गोपीचंद बैडमिंटन अकादमी साइना नेहवाल का प्रशिक्षण की केंद्र बिंदु बना। Kendra Bindu means main center, and first here prashikshan means coaching, and before that what I said, she was under the coaching of Naini Prasad, then SMRF, then later where she went to Hyderabad Gopichand Badminton Academy. Gopichand Badminton Academy is the academy that trains the badminton players. So here she took the better training to become the star. Next line. सन 2006 में साइना ने राष्ट्रीय चैंपियन बनकर तथा 2 बार एशियन सैटेलाइट बैडमिंटन टूर्नामेंट जीतकर इतिहास बनाया। इतिहास बनाना means created history. So 2006 what happened? Saina became national champion. राष्ट्रीय champion बनकर means national champion she became. तथा 2 बार एशियन सैटेलाइट बैडमिंटन टूर्नामेंट जीतकर इतिहास बनाया। How she created the history? By winning the Asian Satellite Badminton Tournament and becoming the national champion in 2006. She created history. ऐसा श्रेय प्राप्त करने वाली वे प्रथम भारतीय महिला थी. So getting this achievement was a great thing. So winning this title, it was for her a great achievement. Why? Because she was the first Indian to get this title, to get this fame. Okay, so she became first Indian to get these two titles. उसी साल साइना फिलीपींस ओपन जीतने वाली दूसरी भारतीय महिला बनी. See, in this paragraph, last line, उसी साल, the same year. Which year? 2006. What happened? Saina Nehwal won which game? Philippines Open. She won Philippines Open and she became the second woman in this tournament to win this title. Okay, उसी साल साइना फिलीपींस ओपन जीतने वाली दूसरी भारतीय महिला बनी. The same year she became the second woman to win this title. Now we move on to the next page, page number 7. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बैडमिंटन खेल के आयोजित कार्यक्रम में उनका योगदान इस प्रकार है. So this paragraph is telling us about her achievements. Okay, so here you can see the stars there, which is marked there as the important achievements of her. So I will read it. सन 2009 में इंडोनेशिया ओपन में चाइना की वांग लिन को हराकर BWF सुपर सीरीज जीती. सन 2010 में सिंगापुर ओपन सुपर सीरीज में चीन की खिलाड़ी को हराकर विजयी रही. सन 2012 में उन्होंने थाईलैंड ओपन ग्रैंड प्रिक्स गोल्ड खिताब जीता. So अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बैडमिंटन खेल means international badminton tournaments. So in this tournaments they are having a record. So they keep a record. So according to that they have pointed certain achievements that is mentioned here. So Yogdan, her performance or her achievements are like this. सन 2009 में इंडोनेशिया ओपन में चाइना की वांग लिन को हराकर means defeated. So whom did she defeat? She defeated China's Wang Lin. When? In 2009. In which tournament? BWF tournament, Super Series, World Badminton Federation tournament. Okay, so BWF. So in this series she defeated China's Wang Lin. Next one. सन 2010 में सिंगापुर ओपन सीरीज में चीन की खिलाड़ी को हराकर विजयी बनी. विजयी, the woman, female winner. Okay, so in 2010 whom did she defeat? She defeated Chin's player. And it was, what was the name of the super series? It was Singapore Open Super Series. In Singapore Open Series, she defeated China's player and she became the winner in 2010. सन 2012 में उन्होंने थाईलैंड ओपन ग्रैंड प्रिक्स गोल्ड खिताब जीता. Her next achievement is on 2012 and she won the gold medal, that is Thailand Open Grand Prix Gold. It is the name of the tournament and she won that and she won the title. So Khitab means title. She won that title in 2012. Next paragraph. इस प्रकार 3 बार विजयी बनकर उन्होंने उच्च पद का खिताब हासिल किया. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खेलों में 3 बार विजयी बनकर उन्होंने दुनिया के बैडमिंटन खेल में द्वितीय श्रेणी का स्थान प्राप्त किया. सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि उनकी यही है कि वह प्रथम भारतीय महिला है जो ओलंपिक खेल में बैडमिंटन के क्वार्टर फाइनल तक पहुंची। 2009 से 2010 में उनको अंतर्राष्ट्रीय टूर्नामेंट के उच्च खेल प्रदर्शन के लिए राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न पुरस्कार से विभूषित किया गया। So in this paragraph, now we are getting the picture of her greatest award. Okay. इस प्रकार तीन बार विजयनी बनकर, this way she became the winner 3 times. उन्होंने उच्च पद का खिताब हासिल किया. She came to the topmost position by winning these continuous three winning was there for her. She became the victorious 3 times. So because of this, she reached the topmost position in badminton tournament. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खेलों में 3 बार विजेनी बनकर उन्होंने दुनिया के बैडमिंटन खेल में द्वितीय श्रेणी का स्थान प्राप्त किया. So द्वितीय श्रेणी means second position. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खेलों में means in international level. 3 बार विजेनी means 3 times winner. So दुनिया means world. So in international tournament she came to the position. Which position? Second position in international games. World international, that is world badminton tournaments. She became the she came to the second position. She reached the second position. So all the players are rated. They give number 1, 2, 3 and 4. As in exam time we pass and we get first rank, second rank, third rank. The same way here also in badminton, either it is badminton, either it is cricket or any tournaments, they rate the players. So here also winning this one, she came to the second position. सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि उनकी यही है कि वह प्रथम भारतीय महिला है जो ओलंपिक खेल में बैडमिंटन के क्वार्टर फाइनल तक पहुंची. What is her greatest achievement? To become the first woman to reach Olympic badminton quarterfinals. See, Olympic Games is a game where all the participants from different parts of the country take part. Okay, so it is a great event. Winning a medal in Olympic tournament, Olympic Games is a great thing. So here what is the achievement that she got? She defeated all others and she's reached the quarterfinals. It is the greatest thing. Okay, so she became the first lady. No woman reached the Olympic quarterfinals in badminton. So this young superstar reached the Olympic badminton quarterfinals and she became the first woman to get this reward. Okay. 2009 से 2010 में उनको अंतर्राष्ट्रीय टूर्नामेंट के उच्च खेल प्रदर्शन के लिए राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न पुरस्कार से विभूषित किया गया. Now see Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Puraskar. This award is given by Indian government. This is the greatest award that is given to a player for their achievements or for their talent. So here Saina Nehwal is getting that award. Why? showing her performance in international badminton tournament. From 2009 to 2010, her performance was great. See, in 2009, she won the Indonesian Open Championship by defeating world topmost Wang Lin. And then in 2010, she defeated China's player by winning Singapore Open Super Series. See, this is her great achievement. So seeing this achievement, seeing her performance, India government gave her the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Puraskar Award. Rajiv Gandhi, you know that our former Prime Minister, he was killed, and in his name only this award is given to remember him. So in his name this award is given. So she got the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for her performance. Okay, children, I hope that you have understood this 2 paragraph which I took today. You have to do one thing. You have to read this portion 3 times. Find all the difficult words and write it in your notebook. Plus your copy also should be written. Okay. So by now I think you might have got all the things, about her achievements and everything. So children, for today's class this much only. We will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.